Imagine you are a 5-year-old and you haven't been taught the basics of math, that is, addition or subtraction. How about I now give you an advanced math problem to solve? Can you solve it? It's nearly impossible, right? Horoscope analysis in Vedic astrology is no different. To truly understand the horoscope or even appreciate its depth, you need to start with the fundamentals: Rashis, Grahas, Bhavas, and Nakshatras. Namaskaraha, I'm Archana Murthy, a professional astrologer and passionate about spreading awareness on astrology. Today, I'm here to simplify horoscope analysis for you. Think of it as the foundation of Vedic astrology, the steps that help you understand your life's path. Horoscope analysis is all about understanding your birth chart. Think of it as the map showing where the planets were at the time you were born. But it's more than just their locations. It's about finding out how they influence different areas of your life, such as your personality, career, relationships, and health. It's like the planets showing the story of your life. Vedic astrology uses your birth chart to connect you to the energies of the Rashis, Grahas, and Nakshatras. By looking at how they work together, we can find patterns that help guide your choices. Now, here's where most people get stuck. They dive into advanced astrology without mastering the basics. But let me ask you this: can you understand trigonometry if you haven't learned how to calculate angles, or not knowing geometry, or not learning ratio proportion? Of course not. In the same way, without understanding these four key elements, analyzing a horoscope becomes a guessing game. The 12 Rashis represent different qualities and tendencies. For example, Mesha or Aries symbolizes courage and initiative, while Kataka or Cancer is nurturing and intuitive. The Grahas are the forces shaping your life. The sun reflects your soul and purpose, the moon governs your emotions, and each Graha plays its unique role. The 12 houses represent areas of life like career, relationships, and health. The 10th house, for example, highlights your profession, while the 4th house reflects home and peace of mind. The nakshatras add more meaning to your chart. Each of the 27 nakshatras has its own energy that shapes how a graha or rashi acts. Let's take Priyanka Chopra as an example. If we focus on her Rashi, Priyanka Chopra belongs to Vrishabha Rashi, Taurus, which makes her stable, calm, and someone who values comfort and luxury. Taurus individuals often have a strong work ethic, and for Priyanka, her high regard for profession and dedication to it stands out. She values her career deeply and strives for excellence in everything she does. Looking at an example of a graha, the moon is strong in her horoscope and placed in the second house, known as the Kutumbasthana. This reflects her grounded nature, her deep love for her family, and her ability to build emotional connections. Her strong moon also brings emotional stability and charm, both of which have contributed to her success and global appeal. Her lagna is Mesha, which makes her ambitious, bold, and a natural leader. Aries lagna individuals have a fearless drive and the ability to take initiative, which we see in Priyanka's journey from Bollywood to becoming a global icon. Her determination to break barriers and achieve success internationally is a true reflection of this fiery lagna. Combined with the stable and nurturing energy of Taurus, her chart showcases a perfect balance of ambition and groundedness, making her personality both inspiring and relatable. When you understand these basics like Rashis, Grahas, and houses, you unlock the true power of Vedic astrology. It's no longer just about predictions, it's about understanding yourself and your life better. For example, in Priyanka Chopra's case, knowing her Vrishabha Rashi and its influence on stability, luxury, and dedication to her profession provides insights into her values and choices. Her strong moon in the second house reveals her deep love for family and her ability to build meaningful connections, while her Mesha Lagna explains her boldness and global ambition. This is where learning the fundamentals becomes empowering. You can start to see patterns in your own life, why things happen the way they do, and what steps you can take to improve. I have seen this knowledge transform lives. For example, a client once felt stuck in his career despite his hard work. By analyzing his 10th house and the grahas influencing it, I found Saturn's call for discipline and patience. He finally understood the issue and was open to a change in approach. The beauty of Vedic astrology lies in the awareness, not just believing in predictions, but truly understanding the influences shaping your life and how to work with them. This is the power of understanding, not just believing. Through my channel, I aim to empower you. My goal is to make Vedic astrology accessible, whether you are a curious learner or someone looking to appreciate the depth of your own chart. I intend to break down these concepts step by step, rashis, grahas, houses, nakshatras, so you can see how they fit together in the larger picture. Even if you don't want to become an astrologer, you will gain a new appreciation for this ancient wisdom. Are you ready to take the first step? Start by learning the basics with me. Check out my orientation videos where I break down each element of horoscope analysis in a simple and easy to understand way. So far I've covered the rashis from Mesha to Simha and I'm currently working on the rest. Alongside this, I am creating detailed videos on each of the 9 grahas. Once that's complete, I will dive into explaining the nakshatras and bhavas. I don't just share knowledge from my studies in astrology, I also research extensively from various books to bring you the most accurate and well-rounded insights. My goal is to present this condensed information in a way that's easy to grasp, all packed into a single engaging video just for you. If you appreciate the approach, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Remember, horoscope analysis is not just about predicting the future, it's about understanding yourself. Just like learning math sharpens your mind, learning Vedic astrology sharpens your perspective on life. So, what's your next step? Let's start this journey together. Dhanyavadaha.